Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Soulful Sharon and welcome to my Soulful Kitchen. Today, we are going to prepare a nutritious snack which contains lots of proteins, calcium, fiber, and antioxidants. Yes, we are talking about makhana, which is also known as fox nuts or lotus seeds. So, this is a very healthy snack mostly in the evenings when we have our tea or coffee. We want to have some snack. Sometimes we eat some biscuits, sometimes we eat some chips, some fried snacks, or wafers. Mostly it's junk. So makhana is a very healthy snack to consume. It also aids in weight loss management and it's also good for your bones as it contains a lot of calcium. So it's a very healthy and quick recipe which we are going to try today. We are going to try in three different flavors because this is how makhana comes. So they aren't roasted. So if you see, this is how it looks. These are the seeds. Okay. And so they aren't roasted, as I said, they are dried. So we are going to prepare these in three different flavors. So let's check the recipe soon.
Heating a kadai and adding few spoons of ghee in it, then adding all the makhana in the kadai at once, roasting them until they turn crunchy. When we buy makhanas at a local store, they are very soft when they are packed in a packet, and when we remove them they are very soft. So we need to roast them for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then transferring them to a bowl. You all can see how it's roasted well. In the same pan, we'll add a spoonful of ghee, then adding some salt and pepper powder, and then we'll take half a lemon for the lemon flavor, squeezing the lemon, and then we'll add all the fox nuts back to the same pan and give it a very nice stir so that all the flavors get together. Here's the lemon pepper flavored makhana ready. In the same pan, we add some ghee again. Then we add a pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder. So here you can add the spices as per your own choice and taste, adding some chaat masala as much as you all want, and little bit of salt. Roasting all the spices in the ghee and then adding the makhanas into it, giving it a very nice stir so that all the spices and the makhanas come in together. So here's the chatpata makhana ready. Here comes the third flavor, adding ghee again to the pan and then adding jaggery powder. If you all have whole jaggery, you all can add that as well and melt it. Once it starts melting, adding some white sesame seeds, also known as til, and then once it's done, you can add the makhanas. Make sure the melted jaggery sticks to the makhanas nicely. And here's the caramel makhana ready.
So the first one is lemon and pepper. So let's try this one. This is how it looks. Pepper with lemon flavor. It's very crunchy because we have roasted them in ghee. And this is the second one, which is chatpata with chaat masala. Mm, this is also nice. And this is my most favorite, the caramel one. So you can see it just looks like the caramel popcorn. If you go to the theaters, you must have noticed caramel popcorn. Caramel popcorn is also my favorite, and caramel makhana is my most favorite. Amazing. So this is how it looks. You can store them in airtight containers and keep it, and whenever you're hungry, you can quickly have a snack. Well, if you have loved today's recipe, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon as well. And in case you do try the recipe out, let me know in the comment section as well. Trust me, it's a very delicious and healthy snack. And well, see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, keep watching Soulful Sharon. Be happy, stay safe, and do take care. Bye bye.